Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, Built to the Bone. In our last video, our engine started making noise. So in this video, we remove our 5.0 Coyote motor, open it up, see what's hurting it. If you like our videos, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you see the like button, have him stand next to his car. Take a picture, then go ahead and post it on Craigslist and Facebook Marketplace. Put his phone number. Also, if you see Gudu at any time in the video, don't forget to write down the timestamp and we'll pin your comment to the top of the section. All right, let's go.
Okay, so when we first heard our noise, the first step is to take off the oil pan, see if we had any metal shavings down there. There was a little bit. We were inspecting down there and I noticed that the crankshaft had been balanced, which means that, you know, there was some weight changes somewhere down there. That kind of spiked my curiosity. I wanted to know a little bit more about what was going on. I got up to the top, took off the valve covers. I noticed that the car had ARP head studs. So once I saw ARP head studs, I knew that this thing has definitely been built. You won't go to the lengths of getting ARP head studs unless you have any thought in your mind that the thing has enough power to blow off something that you don't want it to blow off. So they got ARP head studs. I took off the heads. Valve train is all stock, well taken care of nonetheless. Took out a rod. As soon as I took out the rod, I was mind blown. The thing's got manly pistons, manly rods. Whoever had this thing before, they really liked this thing. Had 50,000 miles, so she's young. Sadly, when I was looking at the pistons, I noticed that we had some bent pistons, you know. When you're as beefy as these things right here, you're making some power in here. You know, this thing, she must have got thirsty. Took her a sip, not knowing that, you know, water's not good for you, shorty.
So guys, as you saw, the engine is finally removed and taken apart. The good news is we can fix the engine. The other good part is this engine was fully upgraded, whoever had it. The pistons and the connecting rods were made by Manly, and The fasteners and the studs were made by ARPs. So the bad news is they found 3 bent rods. The unfortunate part is these parts are in back order, so I already ordered them. It's just pretty much waiting for it. At this point, if you haven't seen our other videos, you might want to click back and see what we did previously. For now, please like, subscribe, follow us, and stay tuned.